Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw and color George Pig with his toy digger. Let's begin by drawing the shape of his head. Next, his nose. His ears. Then, his eyes. I'm drawing his mouth open. Next, his cheek. His arm and hand holding his favorite toy, the digger. Let's draw the shoe and track frame of the digger. Next, the cab of the digger. George Pig's eyes had opened. Look! Then, the boom. Digger and the bucket. Let's draw his feet and the rest of his body. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to George with his toy. George Pig is holding a yellow digging machine with two dark mauve-colored handles supporting an orange digger. It has a sky blue object on the back with a lime crane hanging from it, two large wheels, and two small wheels. When he's not playing with Mr. Dinosaur, George is playing with his digger. It is George's second favorite toy. Do you have a favorite toy as well? What's that? Wow, that is fantastic! Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent! George is happy to show you his toy to you. Could you also show George your favorite toy? Whoa, that is marvelous! We are almost finish. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.